This is Garrett Fry, the cemetery sequence lead for digital map painting, and we're looking at 1440 and doing a shot brief. So let's go ahead and take a look at this shot. It pans here to the right and then settles here. So in this shot, we have this this road that goes through here, which is kind of the point of the shot. So we are going to fill up this shot with gravestones. So we have areas over here that we can add a line of gravestones here and a line of gravestones here. And you're going to want to make sure that when you place these gravestones that they are facing the right direction, because they need to be facing the road. If you see all of these here, they face out towards the road, and so especially the ones that are going to be up close here, we're going to want to make sure that those are facing out towards the road. You'll also want to make sure that you are creating shadow shapes for all of these gravestones, and you have a lot of reference on the plate that can let you know what that's supposed to look like in particular areas. When you are putting these into the ground, you're going to want to make sure that whatever photo reference that you're using when you put that gravestone in, that you use, if you can, use a little bit of that gravestone image reference ground and then integrate it out here instead of right up against where the ground meets the gravestone. That's going to take care of a lot of issues. Anytime you see these gravestones, especially ones that are going to be up close and we can see the base of them really well, there's a lot going on at the base of these gravestones. There's a little grass, that's kind of coming up on it. There's maybe a little bit of a mound right there that's kind of hiding. You can see that here on this one. There's a little bit of a mound there. And then, maybe there's just a little bit of dirt around. So you want to make sure that your gravestones are sitting in the right spot. So go ahead and make those adjustments. Add these gravestones. Go ahead and add them all the way down here. Before starting out on the shot, it's really important to familiarize yourself with the extensive photo reference in the library. It is worthwhile to do quick matte painting concepts so you can start to understand what kind of photography works for what particular situation. Also, make sure you're utilizing the asset library, especially for those shots that require continuity between environments. These assets can be a huge help, and remember that every asset has high resolution photography, so if the asset is not high enough resolution when rendered, you can overlay it with photography.